When you work private parties, the best advice is be prepared for anything. You want to be organized, but you also want to be very flexible because anything and everything can happen. So in the next few minutes, let's take a look at some possible ways that we could set up our bar, whether the bar is in a home or in a garage or in a banquet hall or in someone's backyard. So here we have a nice bar set up outside with a black tablecloth. A black tablecloth is really handy and a must-have for every mobile bartending service. You can throw that tablecloth over anything and make it look classy. And then we have plastic cups, probably supplied by the host, that we're going to use to make the cocktails, and then mixers. You can see a variety of other things. So we just want to set up so it's organized and that we can find everything that we need when we need it. And now we have some tiles on the corner of the bar that adds a decorative effect and also holds the tablecloth in place. And then front and center, very important, we've got our business cards. So we can drum up some more business while we're working at one party. We can book maybe a couple more. And then this view is from behind the bar where the bartender is standing. We've got the ice bin where we're going to keep our ice, and on a hot day we need a lot of ice. You can hire a delivery service to deliver ice, or maybe the host will supply it. And then we've got little fruit bowls for the garnishes. And now from this bird's eye view, you can see we've got some empty fruit bowls that are waiting to be filled for the garnishes. And we've got a lot of cocktail shakers, which tells us we are probably shaking cocktails, maybe martinis or specialty cocktails. And then spread around the bar, we've got a lot of tools. So we're probably going to be making a lot of different kinds of specialty cocktails. And now let's look from behind the bar. The bartender would be standing right there in the middle. We've got the beer on the lower right side and the mixers on the left side. And then a lot of little bottles of bitters. Bitters is made from herbals, and they've got flavorings in them, and that's what we use to enhance flavors of cocktails. And then we've got some different varieties of wine on each side too. Ooh, Halloween. This is obviously a Halloween party. So the back bar will be behind the bartender, and that's where we've got the liquor, and you can see some bottles of wine there. And then the front area has got all the tools that we need and the garnishes. Now we're at a more classy affair with the white tablecloth, and instead of plastic cups, we're using glassware for the wine. And then also another sign of a classy affair is canned sodas rather than the 2-liter big bottles. And another white tablecloth, and we've got the glassware for the wine, so this is probably again more a classier affair. And this spill mat there to protect the white tablecloth so we don't get any spills or splashes on the tablecloth. And this is a nice arrangement of cocktails. And now we have another nice setup of, preparing ahead of time with the garnishes just to add the cocktails to the glasses. And we finish with an ice sculpture for a bar.